Hi, this is Samantha, Director of Library Services at NMSU Carlsbad, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to access our Alexander Street Press online videos. The first thing you need to do is visit our website. The address is carlsbad.nmsu.edu/library. Once you do that, you will be taken to a page that looks like this one. This is our library webpage. Go ahead and look for this button here that says Online Research Tools and click on it. And you are now redirected to our electronic resource database list. On the very bottom, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see videos. Go ahead and click on General Videos. If you know what category you're looking for, you can actually choose one of these, but we're going to go ahead and look for a general video. I'm on campus, so it's not going to ask me for your username and password. If you happen to be at home, you're going to need the login information, and you can get that information from your professors, or you can come by the library and we'll give you that information. So when you get started, you're going to see a page that looks like this. There's always different videos in the background, so it's not going to look exactly the same every time. Right in front of you, you're going to see a white search box. So what you're going to do is you're just going to type in something that you're looking for. I'm going to look for folklore. I got 356 results. You can refine your search. There's a lot of different options that you can select to kind of reduce the amount of results that you get. All of these videos are full access videos. I'm going to go ahead and click on Between Two Worlds. And once you select your video, all you have to do is just view your video and you're all set to go. And if you are using this for an assignment, there are citation options right here that can kind of give you an idea of how to cite it, especially if you're not too sure how to cite videos. So that's really helpful. If you have any questions, just come by the library. We are at the NMSU Carlsbad campus in room 206.